If you're here, you're probably like me, always on the lookout for smart ways to turn your skills and time into real cash. Today, we're diving deep into one of the hottest topics out there: AI to make money. That's right. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech giants or sci-fi movies anymore. It's a game changer for everyday people like you and me to build side hustles, scale businesses, or even launch full-time ventures. And trust me, what you're about to learn is something 99% of people still have no idea they can do with AI. In this video, I'll break down practical, actionable ways to leverage AI for profit, from beginner-friendly ideas to more advanced strategies. We'll cover everything from freelancing gigs to creating your own AI-powered products. Stick around till the end, because I'll share some insider tips on avoiding common pitfalls and getting started today. Now let's get into it. First off, let's talk about why AI is such a goldmine right now. Before you scroll, this part matters. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Grok are democratizing creativity and efficiency. The truth is, AI has completely changed the online income landscape. Before, building an online business meant long hours, specialized skills, and a painful learning curve. But now, AI does the heavy lifting for you. It thinks, it writes, it designs, it edits, it analyzes, it plans, and you simply direct it. Think of now, it's free. And the crazy part? Most people still don't realize how powerful this is. And while most people are busy being scared that AI might replace their job, the smart ones are already using it to create new income streams, new opportunities, and new digital hustles. Keep watching, because this is about to connect. Let's start with one of the easiest entry points. One of the simplest ways to start earning is using AI to create content, because content is the currency of the internet. And let's be honest, you're consuming content right now. Businesses need it, creators need it, marketers need it. If you're into blogging, YouTube, or social media, AI can supercharge your output and earnings. Take writing, for example. Tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can help you brainstorm blog posts, email newsletters, or ad copy in minutes. Imagine you're running a niche blog on fitness. Instead of staring at a blank screen for hours, you feed AI a prompt like, "Write a 1,000-word article on keto diets for beginners." And boom, it spits out a draft. You edit it to add your personal touch, optimize for SEO with tools like Ahrefs AI features, and publish. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. Top creators are earning thousands per month this way. All of that can be created in minutes with AI. And here's the best part. All of that can be created in minutes with AI. What used to take hours or even days now takes a fraction of the time. This means you can handle more clients, produce more goods, and earn more money. Here's the part most people get wrong. It's not just writing. AI is revolutionizing video production too. For YouTubers like us, tools like Descript or Pictory can transcribe your footage, suggest edits, and even generate voiceovers. Want to create faceless videos? Use Synthesia to make AI avatars that speak your script. Pair that with Canva's Magic Studio for quick thumbnails and graphics. If you're into short-form content like TikToks or Reels, AI apps like CapCut's auto-edit features can turn raw clips into polished videos in seconds. And yes, big creators use these tools every day, even if they don't say it. Monetization? YouTube Partner Program, sponsorships, or selling digital products like templates. And here's a pro tip. Always disclose when you're using AI-generated content to build trust with your audience. Moving on to graphics and art, let's talk about AI image generation, because this alone has opened up a whole new world of side hustles. This next part is huge. Think about print on demand. This used to require expensive design tools and advanced skills. But now, tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Imagen 4 can create stunning, professional artwork with just a few words. You can generate t-shirt designs, poster art, stickers, logos, brand assets, illustrations, album covers, all from prompts. People are selling AI-generated art on Etsy, Redbubble, Shopify, or even as digital downloads. For instance, prompt AI with vintage sci-fi poster of a robot exploring Mars. Refine it, and upload as print-on-demand merch. Artists are making bank this way. If you're more advanced, use Stable Diffusion to create unique art series and sell them as digital downloads or physical prints. The key is niching down. Focus on trends like motivational quotes for entrepreneurs or custom pet portraits. Combine AI with your creativity to stand out. And it works because the demand for creative visuals has never been higher. The best part? You don't need to draw. You don't need Photoshop. You just need creative prompts, and AI handles the rest. And trust me, this demand isn't slowing down anytime soon. Investing and trading with AI is another exciting avenue, but approach with caution. It's not get rich quick. Tools like TradingView's AI indicators or QuantConnect let you backtest strategies. Robo-advisors from Wealthfront use AI to manage portfolios, but you can go further. Use sentiment analysis AI on news and social media to predict stock moves. For crypto, bots like 3 automate trades based on AI signals. Day traders are using platforms like Alpaca for algorithmic trading without deep coding knowledge. One strategy? Set up an AI to monitor Reddit's Wall Street bets for hype, then trade accordingly. Remember, diversify and never invest more than you can lose. Remember, the market can humble anyone. Diversify and never invest more than you can lose. Don't overlook AI in education and coaching. If you're knowledgeable in a field, use AI to create online courses. Tools like Teachable's AI Assistant help outline modules, generate quizzes, and even script videos. Sell on Udemy or your site for $20 to $200 per enrollment. Specialize in teaching others how to use AI. Courses on AI for small businesses are hot. Coaches are using AI like Replica for personalized feedback in niches like fitness or language learning. It's scalable. Create once, sell forever. For those with coding skills or willing to learn, building and selling AI products is a high-ticket opportunity. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable let you create and sell AI tools. For example, develop a simple app using no-code platforms like Bubble or Adalo, integrated with AI APIs from OpenAI. Think an AI resume builder that tailors CVs to job descriptions. For something more advanced, train models on TensorFlow for niche tasks like stock prediction bots and sell access via APIs. If coding isn't your thing, partner with developers on sites like Reddit's r/for-hire. The AI app market is exploding. Get in now. But here's where the next level income starts. Using AI to build digital products. Ebooks, templates, planners, guides, checklists, scripts, prompt packs. You can create them in hours and sell them forever. The passive income potential here is massive. AI helps you create the content, the structure, the design, the cover, the description, even the marketing posts. And once your digital product is live, you can make money while you sleep. Speaking of digital products, AI also makes it easier than ever to create apps and websites without knowing how to code. Tools like Replit, V0, Bubble, and Webflow now have AI builders that design and generate the entire site for you. You can build websites for clients, create niche apps, or even develop SaaS tools. Before, you needed developers and months of work. Now, you need an idea and an AI assistant. People are launching micro apps, subscription tools, and digital platforms using AI and earning real income from them. Now, let's talk about a method that's going viral. AI-powered research and analysis. Businesses, students, writers, marketers, investors, they all need information. AI can gather, organize, and summarize data faster than any human. You can offer market research services, article research, content outlines, product comparisons, script breakdowns, or data insights using AI. This is a low-effort, high-demand service, and many freelancers use AI in the background to speed up their workflow. Another rising opportunity is AI voice cloning and voiceover work. Tools like 11 Labs, Suno, and Meta's voice models are allowing anyone to create studio-quality narration. You can produce YouTube voiceovers, ad voiceovers, audiobook narration, character voices, and more without professional equipment. AI can replicate accents, styles, emotions, and tones. And here's the powerful twist. You can build a full, faceless YouTube channel without ever recording your own voice. And that's exactly why AI isn't just another tool. It's your new competitive advantage. It doesn't just speed up your workflow, it expands what you're capable of creating, building, and earning. But here's the part most people overlook. The real profit starts when you combine AI tools strategically, turning simple tasks into full income systems that run almost on autopilot. And that's what I'm breaking down in the next video. If today's video opened your eyes, The next one will shift your entire approach. So click over to the next video titled Make Money with Nano Banana. It starts right where this one ends. See you there!